Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix something went wrong, try to reopen settings later in Windows 10 update problem. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run the troubleshooter under Windows Update. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Update Service, change Startup type to Automatic, start the service. Third method is right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. And task if any process like stop updates. Uninstall recently installed application to stop Windows updates. Search Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Update Service, start the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.